it's your girl Kila Dajay, and today I'm back at it again with another video. Feeling happy, blessed, and beautiful as always. Listen, today is going to be a very chill video. I actually decided that I am going to do a what I eat in a day. Yeah, just a cool video. It's kind of long overdue because I really should have done this video like a while ago, but I low-key kind of like forgot to like do it. But I'm doing it now, so that's all that matters. Just to let you guys know, disclaimer, I am no way, shape, or form a health trainer, a nutritionist, none of that. This is literally just what I eat in a day. Sometimes I switch it up, sometimes I do different things, but this is like most of the time what I eat for snacks, dinner, lunch, etc., and all that. So if you guys want more videos like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. These are just the vitamins that I usually take during the day. They're really good, and they're not that big actually. I have an issue with swallowing vitamins. I used to do like the chewable vitamins or whatever like that, but these are more potent and will give you better results if they're not diluted with sugar and all that extra stuff. But I usually use this almond butter, and then I slice some apples and I put the almond butter on the side of my plate, so I have my nice fruit for the morning, and then I also have my protein, or whatever you want to call it, on the side. And then sometimes I do like warm tea, or I'll have the iced tea that I think I showed you. Let me see, I think I showed you this iced tea in the store. This is the iced tea that most of the time that I'll do, the passion, and then they also have one in awake, so I usually do that. Or you can do a bottle of water if that's just what you want to do. During the day, I usually drink 2 bottles of water every single day, and then I usually have tea in the morning, and then for the night I leave it open for any type of drink that I want to drink. Okay guys, so now I'm actually at my coffee maker. I am going to be doing the sassafras root tea right here. This is the tea that I actually drink all of the time. It has no caffeine in it. The reason why I do no caffeine in my tea is because I sing, and caffeine dries out your throat. Sugar, moist, and honey also does the same thing. So I do not put sugar, honey, or anything in my tea. All it is tea. If I do sugar, it's literally maybe a teaspoon, but today I have vocal lessons, so there'll be no sugar. I wouldn't do any more than 2 teaspoons because I think it could be too much. Okay, so I actually forgot to tell you guys that I actually put my tea in a kettle because I really like my tea extra hot. So yeah, just a little tip or whatever. But now while that is heating up and stuff like that, I'm going to be taking my vitamins. You can literally get them in a bundle, so like you could get them in this size, you could get them in this size, or you can go big. I think that one's like $100 or something for the big. No one's paying that much. I would just rather get this size, girl, and go and get that later. But those are the ones that I'm going to be taking now, probably with some water or whatever while I'm waiting for my tea. Okay guys, so it is now officially about 2 hours later. I'm actually about to have a nice little snack right now. I'm actually in the middle of editing the first part of this video. I just finished working out because you know I do that. I work out every other day, 4 times a week. Just a little thing to throw in if that really matters at this point. But what I am about to eat right now is I'm going to be eating the Annie's Chowder Bunny. Guys, I can't talk. The Annie's Chowder Bunnies. I'm going to be eating these. I usually do a cup of these, so I do measure how much I take out. I usually take a cup and I scoop it out and pour it into a bowl or whatever I'm gonna eat it. It's just to keep me in check so I don't go overboard, because you guys know me, I love food, I love to eat, and I will be eating out of the box if I do not keep that mess in check. So that's what I'm gonna eat for my snack, just something quick. on the go. I am still drinking my tea. I'm on my second cup of tea, and I'm also drinking my water. So that's pretty much it. So that's what I'm doing right now, but I will be back with you guys when I'm ready for lunch.
To the cash, money, we cash. Draped up and ripped out, keep the trees fast. Girls with that thing up, fuck me, fuck rap. Days of a lie, so clap the cake. Spreading your thighs, I'm pump your brakes. Hey,
just need a trees and we can smoke it, yeah. Just need a drink and we can pour it, yeah. And my enemies, they see me living now. If you roll with me, then we'll be winning now. I love to get to one. When the drink be too strong, when the drink be way too strong. Get ready to turn up, blow it on up till I can't even think no more. Get ready to go down, then go more down, then we can keep it in, let's roll. I love to get let's roll. I love to get let's roll. I love to get let's roll.
Okay, so this is the last meal of the night. Now, as you guys know, I have been eating kind of close to each other as far as like my lunch, my dinner, because I kind of like, sometimes I'll wake up at like 9 in the morning or whatever, 10, and then I'll usually have my lunch, as you guys saw, like my breakfast, as you guys saw, at 10, and then lunch is like, for an example, at 5, and then right now it's 7:38, you know, and that's usually dinner. But I kind of just had a big breakfast and a big lunch at that. So I'm probably just gonna have this. As you guys know, I love this. You guys know I love my tea. So I'm gonna have some of my tea, and I'm probably just gonna have a protein bar, because normally around this time I usually do like a snack before bed. I don't really do anything too heavy before bed, so I usually do a nice cold cup of tea, and then I also do my protein bar, and that is really it. And that's pretty much it, what I eat for a day, what I eat in a day, or whatever like that, whatever the title is. I might name it differently, but that's pretty much what I eat. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. These are, honestly, I want to say a handful of my favorite recipes, especially the lunch. That's literally like my favorite meal to cook and to eat, because it's kind of like just really good, but at the same time it's something quick and something that you can do that isn't too heavy, but it's just right. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Baby all night long, I'ma talk up on my phone. You know